Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Niu Lai token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Niu Lai Flap is an on-chain token launched protocol on EVM born out of an ETH Global Hackathon victory. Flap's mission is to empower projects and creators with decentralized on-chain tools to launch tokens and design customized token standards seamlessly. Token launched via Flap are supported by a broad ecosystem of wallets, trading platforms, and bots. Flap supports both non-tax tokens and tax tokens. For tax tokens, creators can customize trading tax fees rates at 1%, 3%, 5%, or 10%, enabling flexible use cases such as community incentives, marketing, treasury funding, or charitable contributions. Flap offers the ability for developers to create custom smart contracts for tax token management by adhering to the provided vault specifications. Enhanced insights and details can be accessed via websites and supported terminals. Developers can also build and deploy their own vault templates. Vault Factory offering a monetization opportunities when users opt to utilize their templates. Niu Lai token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Niu Lai token is listed on MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.